What's up guys, welcome back to Work channel regarding hobbies. It's been a while since I uploaded something, so I just want to do a video about a cool place where you can recycle your old stuff, meanwhile get some reward by doing so. Quite a user-friendly experience for newcomer like me. So I have polystyrene boxes, but my boy made the cut. So see here, a lot of boxes that I collected and I put all inside the car, full of it, at the back seat of the car and also at the boot. It is full of boxes. So all of these are going to the recycle place. Quite hard to close the boot door. So off we go to Damansara, the IKEA Damansara. So if you go to IKEA Damansara, you might notice P1 and P2. Today, P1 is closed because it's full, so we went down to P2 instead. On the way inside it, you must find a label recycling place. So then we go back to P1, where you can straight go to the recycling center. Actually, it is the effort made by IPC Center, the mall that integrate with IKEA Damansara. You see here, even used cooking oil can be recycled. Actually, you can sell them. There's an app here. The Arus oil. The Arus oil, you can redeem points and some money. RBBC place or Recycle Plastic 101 have some input that you can look for before you recycle any of them. For example, styrofoam can be recycled, CD cases can be recycled, but the material made for tray, for food packaging cannot. Foam for cup cannot. Coat hanger cannot. Other like bubble wrap and shrink wrapper can be recycled, but food packaging and trash bag cannot. Then there's the drinking bottle. I think most of the thing that people recycle is of course a plastic drinking bottle, and then shampoo bottles, detergent bottles, while 8 containers, food packaging, go-to containers, plastic tray, PET cups, this one cannot be recycled. So they have apps called IPC apps. You can download it at Google Play or Apple Store. So if not, you can scan here. Then you can register your account. Actually, you can get some reward by points, and then you can redeem some of the merchandise that they provide, like books, hat, and even socks. Even parking space and EV charging port can be used as part of these rewards. They also have a place where you can cycle your food waste. So then after you download the apps, you can have the barcodes and you can scan it while you want to put in the recycle items. Here I put the polystyrene under the plastic and polystyrene. So the workers there, you can see the hand inside that, they quickly remove it because the next person will put in their own material. I think quite a lot of people come on Sunday. I think the place is quite popular, and like I have a lot of boxes that I bought on Sunday. So all the boxes just go straight inside, because I think it cannot fit in the place where you put in the cardboard boxes. So here they will ask you to scan, and then they will put under to see how much the weight of the material that you want to recycle. I think quite a lot. I didn't notice is what it is quite heavy. So here the first one is almost 5 kilos, then we have another one is almost 10 kilos, so I have like 15 kilos of boxes. So you scan the code and then you put in, this one is cloth, under cloth. No, the phone is not recycled. So you can have your light tub, medicine, battery, light bulb, pillow cushion, and also e-waste. So the color is quite different, so you can put in, have the like metal for pot and tumbler, textile for clothing, drink carton. This one is a box but a different carton because I have some material that come with it. Aluminium, and then metals. Aluminium and metals because there's different kind of steel. Plastic and polystyrene, paper of course, and boxes. Once you complete it, you just press the complete, so you have that horse dancing.